the colors are missing. That's so cool. Wow, this is beautiful. Now we learn about primary and secondary colors. Let's mix colors, but hold on. Let me put the milk in the water. That will help them make the colors bright. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got red. Red was my fire engine. Red was my car. Let's make another color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made yellow. Yellow was my truck in half. Yellow was my ball. Let's make another color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made blue. Blue was my shark. Blue was my Iron Man. Red, yellow, and blue. These are called primary colors. Now let's mix colors. One, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It made orange. When we mix red and yellow together, it made orange. Let's mix more colors. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It made green. When we mix blue and yellow, it made green. Let's mix more colors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. It made purple. When it is red and blue, it made purple. Orange, green, and purple. These are called secondary colors. What was real what we won? Red, yellow, and blue. These are called primary colors. Orange, green, and purple. These are called secondary colors. Bye guys. If you want more video, hit the big red button. I'll see you next time.